Hi there. Welcome to your free virtual workshop on your health. My name is Ashley Arnold, and I am excited to be leading you through this journey. We are going to be focused on stress and your health, as the topic of the workshop tells you how to stress less and live better in 3 days. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. I have a couple slides for the material today, and we are going to be walking you through what you're doing for the next 3 days. Okay, day one. I want to first congratulate you and thank you for coming along with this free virtual workshop. It is ideally timed as we enter the busy holiday season, and I know it's top of mind for many people. So a little bit to get started, you will be able to follow along in your workbook. Most of this content is in there, but we did trick you a little bit. So you will see a few fill in the blanks. That is content that is covered in your daily material. That's just to kind of keep you engaged and moving along. But most of what's in the workbook is very much personalized to you. You are going to be rather reflective. So although we are sharing scientific material and content, we are also honing in on your specific circumstances and your specific input into this workshop. So to get started, I want to highlight that there's kind of this good and bad discussion when we talk about stress. I think stress often gets this bad rap that it's necessarily a negative thing, yet that is not an absolute. And it's most often considered from the lens of both mental, emotional, and physical. But there is a biochemical stress that can happen. That is not the specific context for this workshop, but that is, of course, an area that we look at deeper when we are working with people in one-on-one or more comprehensive group modules. Essentially, we are, for this workshop, looking at things that impact our daily lives and well-being, and we are working through from that lens and perspective. Some stress, which is the exciting part, is actually resilience building, and we appreciate that. It trains our body and our mind to respond to certain circumstances and to overcome obstacles. So you will see more of that in your workbook for today. Just follow along, day one, day two, day three. It works that simple, and we will, move forward from there. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions in the meantime. As you saw in your welcome email, we are planning a live workshop wrap up. So that will be scheduled based on your input, based on what people select. But we are very excited to be able to engage with you in person for that. Otherwise, have fun working through the resource material and the workbook for day one. Bye now.